you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to ring the bell. Okay, so today I'm here at the Park Lane International Hotel. Park Lane International Hotel. Park Lane International Hotel because I will be going to eat. Going to Anan. Earlier, I was at the wedding gig. Meron akong client, mga 7 ata yun. Tapos, nandito ako sa Park Lane. Hello! Hi, Miss! Yes. Guys, I'm with Atems. Nindot kay Gears Atems. So, wala pinangga lagi ka Atems sa camera. Nice kay Atems. So, saan na ko? So, saan na ko, Ani? Ganda siya ako.
So these are muna siya signature Park Lane events happening on June. July is going to be our 12th anniversary. So Park Lane is already 12 years in the hotel industry. 12 on 12, no? Something like that, yeah. And then hopefully by then we will have something also new to announce to the Cebuanos during the anniversary.
All of them are really busy talking, hanging out together with food and drinks and yummy seafoods. And right now I'm here at the, look at my background, it's so nice. Tingnan nyo. Wow! You wanna swim? Ang ganda pala dito sa Park Lane, guys, and super love it. First time ko dito sa Kananan, but then first time ko rin nakita yung pool nila. Super creamy, chorizo, tamay sili. Super sarap.
We will be presenting to you our upcoming events for June. Park Lane's Sangka sa Kaha and Hunat Sugbo 8. This year's Sangka sa Kaha will feature the Ecotourism Municipality of Cebu, Aluginsan. The cookout will be on June 15, 2018, that is a Friday, at Aluginsan's Baluarte Park and will run for the whole day. This is to formally invite you to come and witness the 7th Sangka sa Kaha in Aluginsan. We will be featuring the Kinsan. Kinsan is part of the grouper family, and it is abundant in our waters in the months of March to June. So it is in time for the season of Kinsan. So at this point, we move on to our second activity, which is happening on June 24.
may anghang din siya. So, yeah. Guys, I'm now eating humba sa ronda. So, what we're eating right now are Filipino dishes talaga. Yummy. This is the lomo sa sibunga, guys. Sarap. But then, so far, okay, masarap. Depende siguro yung pagluluto siguro. Pero so far, try na to. Pagpunta nyo dito sa Park Lane Can Anan Restaurant located at 4th floor. Sorry, I'm shouting because there's music. Try this one. It's an exotic food. Ano ba ang lupos? No. Guys, I'm with Sinjin. The blogger behind. Yes. I'm going to place the link on the description box. So we're here together right now at Can Anan Park Lane International Hotel 4th floor. Follow him, guys. Lahat ng Instagram, Twitter, links niya nasa description box. I'm really full, guys. Super. And now I'm sleeping. You know what? I haven't slept for 2 days straight. Wow! Because earlier I mentioned that meron akong wedding gig and I woke up 4 a.m. and then after that we finished almost 2 p.m. and then I went home, I napped for 15 minutes and then I go out again for this event for Park Lane for Can Anan. Hi guys, so we're done eating and I'm going home because I'm too full. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and please don't like to share and subscribe to this channel. And I hope you like all the foods and be excited because there will be a Park Lane Sangka sa Kaha. So it's a cooking festival or cooking contest wherein exotic foods here in Cebu will be exhibited, and the winner of that will be the next menu for the Park Lane Can Anan located at 4th floor. So I hope I will be able to be there. It will be on June 15. Links will be posted in the description box or everything. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Mwah. Sarang eh. Mwah.